class Selfia is English now. Because I want to sell Tagalog, right?
Yes.
You speak Tagalog?
Yes.
What is Tagalog? What is Tagalog is this.
Chair.
No, it's la mesa, right?
Yes. It's la mesa.
And what is this? What is this?
Tubig.
Yes, it's a water. The English, the tubig is water. And how is this? What is this?
Buhok.
Yes, buhok is Tagalog. The English, this is hair, right?
Yes.
You tell me. You speak Tagalog for me.
What is this?
These are the meds, right?
Yes. It's amazing. What is a Tagalog? Is this? A cell phone.
Cell phone, right?
Yes, you heard. What is a Tagalog there?
Ilaw.
Ilaw?
Yes.
What a Tagalog there?
There. Puan.
Me turn.
Yes. What Tagalog is this?
Bag.
Bag, right? What is this? Name.
Is Monique.
Yes. My sibling is Monique. Aha! Karam.
And you come at
This.
me.
What is this?
Goma.
Tiyan. What is this? Pick, pack, poke, pick. Easy.
Pick-pack, puk-pack, bing.
Guys, today I want to speak English. Bye guys, because uulitin natin. Wag. Uulitin natin mag-i-English tayo ng Tagalog.
Wag na.
Bye. Bye guys. Yeah. Speak English tomorrow.
Yes.
Last morning. You want last morning? Is
I want to mommy go. I want to wee-wee.
Okay, go. My sibling is Wiwi. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye, channel.